Well, teardown begins. Getting rid of the old boss. Gonna be putting 2 skar DDX12s, a RP 2000.1, running 1/0. Yep, all starts up here. So, yeah, buddy. Well, she's gutted. Now, it's just time to start building a box. Sound deadening, all kind of shit. So, we'll keep updating. Got my first board cut, the bottom. Got it all prepped for sound deadener. We'll sound deaden all this underneath, everywhere. Spare tire well, then both sides of this, because this is real flimsy. But yeah, she's getting there. I'm gonna think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come through that hole with my 1/0 for my bass amp. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave these sides in because it'll be easier to go off of in the front. It'll look cleaner when you open the back. And I'll also put that plastic piece back in. Yeah, buddy, it's coming along. Well, this is my first mock kerf port. I'm just trying to see what my dimensions are going to be. I'll fiberglass all of that. Do a little bit of Duraglass on it. Make it strong. But yeah, I think it'll look pretty damn good. I think this box is going to turn out a lot better than what I'm thinking. It's going to take me a while, but hey, let's see what happens.